Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a chat box with colors and strike through, just like this. Alright, so let us get started. Hi everyone, this is Neil Tan here. Now first of all, please make sure you put in the details that you want. For my case, it's going to be here chat box, the participant's name. Okay, as you can see here is Wade, Dave, Seth, Ivan and Riley. So here I'm going to highlight the chat box from number 2 to number 6 because here I have 5 people. So I'm going to highlight these 5 boxes here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Insert and click on Checkbox. On the checkbox, you can always change the color by clicking on the A icon here, which is the text color. You click on that and you can change the color. Whether you want to change the red, orange, blue, purple or any other color. For my case, I'm going to click on dark green. Now the next step is when I click on the checkbox, I want for the participant's name to change color and together with the strike through. So how to do that is, first of all, let me untick this first and let me highlight from Wade to Riley, from B2 to B6. Next is click on Format and click on Conditional Formatting. And here you can see there is the format rules. So the format cells, if click here is not empty, so I'm going to click and there will be a drop down menu. Make sure you scroll down until you see custom formula is. So I'm going to click on that. And here I'm going to key in the formula, which is equals $A, and this case will be 2. Alright, because when I want to click on this checkbox, these boxes will change its color. Okay, I'm going to put A2. Right, A2, start from A2. Then here, I can change the color. Whether is it red, example, if I change the red, and I'm going to click on this strike through. I'm going to click on that, and when I click on this checkbox, you can see that Wade name, the background changed to red, and his name will have a strike through with a line. So that same goes for Dave, Seth, Ivan and Riley. Now instead of red, I'm going to change to dark green. You can see. So every time if I change to any other color, it will automatically change as well. Okay, so for this case, I'm going to put on green. Let me put lighter green. And you can always untick this strike through if you do not want. See that? Okay, alright. So this is how you create your chat box with the color and strike through. So that is all for this video. This is 101 and I'll see you in the next one.